Hello everyone. In this video we are going to be reviewing Purecarrot Bio Balance Lotion. We will be giving you insights on how the product looks. So sit back, relax, grab a popcorn and enjoy the ride. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Purecarrot Bio Balance Whitening Lotion is formulated with plant-based carrot extracts that helps to lighten, as well as help prevent the formation of aging that occurs in skin cells. This product is rich in hydrating emollients that guarantee you a softer, moisturized skin. The product usually comes in a 450 ml bottle and can last for at least 2 months. Purecarrot Bio Balance Lotion protects the skin from free radicals that can cause wrinkles, promotes production of new cells and helps keep moisture in the skin. Purecarrot Bio Balance Lotion will give you a spot-free, flawless, clearer and uniform glowing skin complexion. I highly recommend Purecarrot Face Cream to anyone who wants to get rid of pimples, acne scars, sunburns, blemishes, freckles, wrinkles, blackheads, melasma and patches on the skin. This product is mild and has a sweet fragrance. It clarifies and evens out the complexion whilst nourishing the body. Carrot oil found in this product offers nourishing, toning and antioxidant properties to help your skin regain its radiant, soft and clear look. Here are the directions on how to use Purecarrot Bio Balance Lotion. Add small amount of the product on your palm and massage in a circular motion on the body until fully absorbed. It is recommended that Purecarrot lotion be applied twice daily, morning and evening.